everyone, this is Maheshwari. Now, I would like to present about theory of social learning. This presentation going to explain to you on the observation and imitation approach, and other words is called social learning approach, as proposed by Bandura that helps in learning strategies. Let us see social learning approach. The famous psychologist named Albert Bandura, though accepted the assumption of behaviorism, he came with the idea that all types of learning do not happen only by means of association or direct experience with the environment. For example, imagine a child who is given a cricket bat for the first time. The child looking at the cricket bat would probably search for a ball and hit it. Is this action due to direct experience of the child with the bat? Certainly no. It is because the child had seen others perform this action either on television or in person. Hence, learning occurs just by observing the action of the others, which serves the base of Bandura in proposing observational learning, or in other words, social learning theory. The belief of Bandura is that children are like sponges. They soak up everyday experiences. And he assumed that learning occurs through observation, imitation, and modeling. The major elements are behavioral elements and cognitive elements, as given by Bandura. Behavioral elements nothing that comprise conditioning through associations, reinforcement, and punishment. Cognitive elements involves attention, retention, reproduction, and motivation.
டாக்டர் ராஜாபாதர் தாகூர் ஆசிரியர் பயிற்சி கல்லூரி, கீழ்குடலூர், திண்டிவனம். 16வது பேட்ச் பிஎட் 2 வருட பட்ட படிப்பிற்கு அட்மிஷன் துவங்கிவிட்டது. 2020-2021 முதல் ஆண், பெண் இருபாலரும் பயிலும் வசதி. சுமார் 40 ஏக்கர் பரப்பளவில் மிகப்பெரிய விளையாட்டு மைதானம், அழகிய பூங்கா, இயற்கை எழிலுடன் கூடிய கல்லூரி வளாகம். இதுவரை 1500க்கும் மேலான தகுதி வாய்ந்த ஆசிரியர்களை உருவாக்கிய கல்லூரி. டெட் தேர்வில் அதிகப்படியான ஆசிரியர்கள் இக்கல்லூரியில் பயின்றவர்கள் வெற்றி பெற்று அரசு பணியில் உள்ளனர். திண்டிவனம் கல்வி மாவட்டத்தில் உள்ள அனைத்து தனியார் ஆங்கில பள்ளிகளில் தாகூர் ஆசிரியர்களுக்கு வேலையில் முன்னுரிமை. பல்கலைக்கழக தேர்வில் 100% வெற்றி. கல்லூரி பயிற்சி ஆசிரியர்களுக்கு சொந்தமாக 3 அரசு நிதி உதவி பள்ளிகள், 2 மெட்ரிக் பள்ளிகள், 1 சிபிஎஸ்இ பள்ளி, 2 நர்சரி அண்ட் பிரைமரி பள்ளிகள் உள்ளன. தமிழகத்தில் வேறு எந்த கல்லூரிக்கும் இல்லாத வசதி. கல்லூரி நிர்வாகத்தின் கீழ் சொந்தமாக 8 பள்ளிகள் உள்ளன. ஆண், பெண் பயிற்சி ஆசிரியர்களுக்கு பஸ் போக்குவரத்து வசதி. 3 தவணையில் கட்டணம். தொடர்புக்கு அனுபவம் தலைமை அலுவலகம் 88E செல்வி சாலை, திண்டிவனம். தொலைபேசி எண்கள் 04147226187 9360140834 9790477975 9486145799.
Now, let us look into the principles of social learning theory. Bandura explained in a book, Social Learning Theory, that most human behavior is observationally learned from others. They are observing and forming ideas of particular behavior. This information gets coded and gets guided for the future actions. His social learning theory has got 3 core principles. The first principle is people learn through observation. Babadol experiment of Bandura is best known example of children learning through observation. Children observing adults acting aggressively towards Babadol was found to imitate the violent action of adult when allowed to play same doll later. However, Bandura identified 3 modules through which a child learns. Live model, verbal instructional model, and third one is symbolic model. The first live model is where a child observes an individual to demonstrating a behavior. And second one is verbal instructional model is where child listen to description and explanation of behavior. And third one is a symbolic model is where child watches character either real or fictional displaying certain behavior through books, films, TV or any media. The second principal act, mental states of crucial to learn. A behavior observed is not always learned as you know. For learning and observed behavior, child mental states motivational found to be interpreter Bandura differs from behavior, saying that reinforcement might not be only external. He coined term called interesting reinforcement. The same of the interesting reinforcement, pride, satisfaction, accomplishment, etc. The third principle is that learning does not necessarily lead to change in behavior. Behavior is believed that learning leads to permanent change as we see the definition, but observational learning contradicts behaviorism by saying that people can learn new information without demonstrating the new behavior. For example, a child watches on the other child, still a pencil might not demonstrate the same behavior. Now, let us look into the process of observational learning. Social learning is said to be successful when the observed behavior is well learned or demonstrated. For example, teaching a child to swim is successful only when the child learns the skill and demonstrates it without assistance. For the process to be successful, certain full cognitive factors to play very important role in learning. The first one is attention, retention, reproduction and motivation. And attention. For any observational learning, attention is very important from the learner's side. At the same time, the model should be interesting to promote attention of learners. Example, paying attention to trainer. And retention. Is said to be a storage house of learning. In other words, remembering the learned information and pulling it later when needed. For example, retaining the nuances of swimming. And third one is reproduction. Just attention and retention without practice the reproducing the information goes waste in the process of learning. Hence the practice of learned behavior gives significant results. For example, intensive swimming practice. The last is motivation. After learning the behavior to fullest, there will be no use to demonstrate of the behavior not motivated. For example, getting rewarded first swimming. Hence, the four principles of each of four cognitive elements of Bandura are attention and focus the matter, retention depends on the content, reproduction occurs on demand, motivation can be intrinsic or extrinsic. Hope this presentation is explained to you how the children learn through observation, imitation and modeling. Let me conclude the whole of the presentation, a behaviorism and social learning. Kids are wonderfully equipped to learn by themselves immediately after birth through classic conditioning to learn association stimulate, natural stimulate and both environmental stimulates. Remember, these associations got survival value too. And by means of apparent condition, they learn to control environmental events. Hope this presentation water provided you strategies of application in their early years as a facilitated You should able to understand and identify right approach through which you can make a child learn. Thank you.
அரை நூற்றாண்டு கால கல்வி பணியில் ஏராளமான சாதனைகளை படைத்த தாகூர் கல்வி நிறுவனம் சென்னை, தாம்பரம், திண்டிவனம், செஞ்சி, நெய்வேலி போன்ற நகரங்களைத் தொடர்ந்து தற்பொழுது புதுச்சேரி ரெட்டியார்பாளையத்தில்
Tahoe TAMS Paramedical Training College, Diploma in Medical Lab Technology, Dialysis Technology, Patient Care, Operation Theatre Technician, MRI and CT Scan Technician, X-ray Technology, Optometry, Anesthesia, Echo Tech, ECG Tech, Ultrasound Technician, மேலும் BSc Hotel Management Technology, Diploma in Catering Course, Diploma in Food Production, Diploma in Front Office Management, Diploma in Food and Beverage Service Management, Diploma in Housekeeping Management ஆகிய துறைகளுக்கு அட்மிஷன் நடைபெறுகிறது.
மேலும் பல மருத்துவம் சார்ந்த பயிற்சிகள், லேப் வசதியுடன் முழு நேர, பகுதி நேர, விடுமுறை நாள் பயிற்சிகளுக்கு அட்மிஷன் நடைபெறுகின்றது. கல்வி தகுதி 10ஆம் வகுப்பு, 12ஆம் வகுப்பு, பாஸ் அண்ட் ஃபெயில்.
Tahoe TAMS Paramedical Training College, KCR Catering and Hotel Management College, number 21, 3rd Cross, Jayanagar Main Road, ரெட்டியார்பாளையம், புதுச்சேரி. தொடர்புக்கு 9944606035 9381384866.
மேலும் விவரங்களுக்கு 1800 200 3525 என்ற டோல் ஃப்ரீ நம்பரை தொடர்பு கொள்ளவும்.